Hello, good morning, childrens. Today Wednesday, 6th May. So we have to almost complete all the worksheet of algebraic identity. Now today I go for brain integers of algebraic identity. Today I go for only first sum, A and B part of brain integers. Before going to brain integers, I show you one activity which is completed by me. So it is a homework to you. Before Saturday you have to complete this worksheet small activity. You write all the 5 identities, but in place of A and B you can take, it's like me, I have taken here instead of A and B K and L numbers. This is your binomial expressions, binomial trinomial expressions, and A is your variable and K and L are your numbers. So K plus L whole square, K square plus L square plus 2KL. K minus L whole square is equal to K square plus L square minus 2KL. K plus L into K minus L is equal to K square minus L square. Next, K plus L plus M whole square, K square plus L square plus M square plus 2KL plus 2LM plus 2MN. Fifth, A plus K into A plus L. Here K and L are numbers and A is your variables. This is equal to A square plus K plus L, A plus KL. So in this way you can take either white sheet or page of your scrapbook and take any two alphabet other than A and B. So write all these identities. Okay. Now in worksheet 1 to 5 we can use this left hand side part and find out right hand side. But in worksheet 6 and 7, factorization of algebraic expressions, we have take first right hand side and find this left hand side. Okay, in worksheet 1, 2 and 5, your trinomial expression is given and find this one. K, suppose this is your past identity K plus L whole square. It can be written as K plus L into K plus L. So in this way, this is a small activity to you. So up to Friday you have to complete this activity. Either you can take white sheet or okay. Now I go for your brain integers, page number 125 of your book, and first questions. Brain integers, take the correct options. The factors of 1 minus 6z plus 9z square are a square plus b square minus 2ab. It means 9z square is your square of 3z and 1 is your 1. 3z minus 1 whole square. Right answer is your 3z minus 1. Second, which of the following is an algebraic identity? So this one, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Others are not. Third, factorize form of y square plus 3y plus y plus 3. So I can write this y square plus 3y plus 1y, 4y. This can be written as y square plus 3 plus 1 into y plus 3 into 1. So this is equal to y plus 3 into y plus 1. Third options. Next, factorize form of p square minus 17p minus 38 is. Now here again we can use identity fifth here. Choose two number whose sum is minus 17 and product is minus 38. So factors of 38 are 19 and 2, minus 13 and plus 2. So p minus 19 into p plus 2. A side of the square with area 4x square plus 12x plus 9 square unit is, area is given, find side of a square. Side is equal to, this is your identity first, 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 3 plus 3 square, 2x plus 3. Your side is 2x plus 3 unit. Now I go for B questions. Very interesting and very so many good questions are asked here. Answer the following questions. Find the product using suitable identity. A plus 3 into A minus 3 into A square plus 9. Here A plus 3 into A minus 3 is your third identity. A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A square, A is your A, B is your 3. A square minus 9. Again A square minus 9 into A square plus 9. Again third identity. This again it is equal to A square minus B square is equal to A plus B into A minus B. So in this way we can solve this question. Second B, first I read all the questions, then I solve one by one. If x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 6, find the value of x4 plus 1 upon x4. It means we are taking this side first. X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 6. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides means x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to 6 square. Using identity first, a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 6 square means 36. C. Find the value of k if xy square k is equal to 4xy plus 3y whole square minus 4xy minus 3y whole square. This whole 4x plus 3y is your a minus 4xy minus 3y is your b. A square minus b square, again identity third. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now D. If a square plus b square is equal to 9 and ab is equal to 4, find the value of 3 into a plus b whole square minus 2 into a minus b whole square. Now look here, 3 into a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is your first identity and a minus b whole square is your second identity. Solve and multiply by 3 and multiply by 2 and find their values. After that we get a square plus b square and ab. Substituting the value of a square plus b square and ab in the expressions. Next, E. If a plus b plus c is equal to 12 and a square plus b square plus c square is 64, find the value of ab plus bc plus ac. So taking this a plus b plus c is equal to 12, squaring on both sides, a plus b plus c whole square, again identity fourth. You can solve this sum. So I solve one by sums. First question A. Answer the following questions. A plus 3. What are your questions? A plus 3 into a minus 3 into a square plus 9. Your first step is a plus 3 into a minus 3 into a square plus 9. This is your a plus b into a minus b. Take first these two. A plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus 3 square. A square minus 3 square means 9. A square minus 9 into a square plus 9. Again identity third. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. A is your a square, b is your 9. A square square minus 9 square is equal to a raised to power 4 minus 81. In this way you can solve first part. Second, your second part, if x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 6, find the value of x4. So taking this side x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 6, squaring on both sides. Now this becomes your identity a plus b whole square. First identity, a square x square whole square plus 1 upon x square whole square plus 2 into x square into 1 upon x square is equal to 6 square means 36. X square cancels, 2. X square x4 plus 1 upon x4 plus 2 is equal to 36. X4 plus 1 upon x4 is equal to 36. Taking this plus 2 to right hand side, it becomes minus 2 is equal to 34. So x4 plus 1 upon x4 is equal to 34. So this we have to find that. Find the value of x4 plus 1 upon x4 is equal to 34. Now third, find the value of k if xy square k is equal to 4xy plus 3y whole square minus 4xy minus 3y whole square. Now It is very easy that if you take 4x plus 4xy plus 3y a and 4x minus 3y as b, so this is equal to a square minus b square. So what is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. So look here, xy square k is equal to, this whole is called your a and this is called your b. Your identity is a square minus b square. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, 4x plus 3y plus 4x minus 3y into a minus b. A is your 4x plus 3y minus b minus plus minus 4xy minus plus 3y. So take care, your sign plus 3y minus 3y cancels, plus 4xy minus 4xy cancels. So 4xy plus 4xy, it becomes 8xy into 3y plus 3y into 6y. 8 6 are 48 xy square. So xy square k is equal to 48 xy square. Xy square cancels, k is equal to 48. Next, D. Your D question is, if a square plus b square is equal to 9 and ab is equal to 4, these two values are given, find the value of. So first we take these values, 3 into a plus b whole square minus 2 into a minus b whole square. So this is your a plus b whole square is your first identity and a minus b whole square is your second identity. So solve it. 3 into, what is a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus 2 into a square plus b square minus 2ab multiply 3a square plus 3b square plus 6ab minus 2a square minus 2b square minus plus 4ab. Now this is equal to 3a square minus 2a square, a square, 3b square minus 2b square, b square plus 6ab plus 4 10ab. Now what is a square plus b square? It is given 9. And what is ab? 4. So 9 plus 10 into 4, 40. 9 plus 40 is equal to 49. And last one is your, if a plus b plus c is equal to 12 and a square plus b square plus c square is 64, find the value of ab plus bc plus. So in this case we can use identity 4. So taking first this a plus b plus c is equal to 12. Squaring on both sides. A plus b plus c is equal to 12. Squaring on both sides we get a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 12 square. So what is a plus b plus c whole square? Again use identity. Here instead of a plus b plus c, I can take here k plus l plus m. K square plus L square plus M square plus 2KL plus 2LM plus 2MN. So, like if here ABC are given, then A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA is equal to 144. So A square plus B square plus C square is equal to 64. It is given in your book. A square plus B square plus C square 64. Then 64 plus 2 into, taking 2 in 3 terms as common, AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 144. This 64 becomes on right hand side minus 64. It is equal to 80. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 80 upon 2 is equal to 40. So AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 40, which we have to ask in our questions to find out AB plus BC plus AC. Now, dear students, so this is your homework FA2 activity. Write all identities. So complete this work before Saturday. So today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 2 days. Only these 5 identities, and after that either you can complete this activity in white sheet paper or drawing sheet papers, or you can use the page of your scrapbook, and after that completion of this activity, you can paste this activity in your file. Okay, so After question number second, tomorrow I will go for next question number second to onward, because brain teaser is very important of this algebraic identities. So have a nice day. Thank you very much. Bye bye, please.